prefer book or TV shows? I think a TV show is better than book. First, in TV show we can see a lot of movies. Because in TV there have a lot of movies and YouTube. For example, we see a TV, time is going very fast. And there have a fighting, spooky, funny thing have in TV show. And in TV we can see a news so we can know a weather or problem. Second, book is so poor because in book there has no sound, no funny thing, no moving, so it is poor. For example, in book there have no news and we buy and read, but it is so poor. But in TV we don't give money, but we can see a free movies. In book there is no news, no weather news, so we don't know it outside problem. Third, sometimes we don't know what is that mean because we don't know who are talking. For example, in book we don't know who is talking and why he do this, but in TV we can see a screen so we know who is talking and what they are doing. And watching is fun and we can remember the movie. Do you prefer or TV show? I think TV show is better than book.